This is a DJI Phantom 1, the very first RTF drone made by DJI, all the way back in 2013. And today, let's make it fly again. As you can see, this particular model of the Phantom 1 is not even the V1.1.1 or the Phantom FC40. This is the very first version, comes with these non-self-tightening props, which means you have to use prop wrench to tighten these prop nuts. The original version also comes with only one antenna band, unlike the V1.1.1 which comes in dual antenna bands. This drone has been sitting for many years, and it's not currently 100% functional. Like most of you sheltering at home, I figured this could be a nice fun project to make this thing fly again. All the Phantom 1 comes with this XT60 style plug. The original Phantom 1 battery is completely toast, but I do have these Hobby People 11.1 volt 2200 milliamp batteries. These are 3S batteries, and it has the same capacity just like the OEM batteries. The problem is this battery uses DIN connector, and it cannot fit the XT60. So I cut up the old Phantom battery lead and made this connector adapter. And now I can use this DIN connector into the Phantom XT60 connector. Looks like we got power. Upon starting up the motors, you can see this motor has some sort of a desync issue. I'm guessing it's something wrong with the ESC or the motor itself. Unfortunately, that also means we have to tear this thing apart completely. As you can see, after removing all the screws and removing the top shell, I discovered the ESC needs some resoldering work. And after sorting this out, I plugged into the computer and upgraded to the newest firmware. Let's do an indoor hovering test. Everything seems working properly. Now let's take it outside. As you can see, the DJI Phantom 1 is still a very fun quadcopter to fly around. I know it doesn't have a built-in camera, so it's not really a camera drone in today's standard, but if you're into just flying an RC model, or even trying to just learn how to fly a quadcopter, simply put in ADI mode and you're gonna have a ton of fun with it. Although the Phantom 1 is probably an antique at this point, but it's still a very safe and very cheap quadcopters you can find in 2020. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.